Hi, my name is Mark, and today we'll be unboxing the HPE Networking Instant On Secure Gateway SG1004. The SG1004 is an entry-level secure gateway that brings firewalling, IPS/IDS, VPN and WAN resiliency features to the Instant On networking portfolio. The first thing you will notice is that this gateway comes in a retail-friendly packaging. Let's get straight to the unboxing. This envelope contains quick start guide, safety, compliance and warranty information, and safety and regulation information. In the side pocket, you'll find a power adapter with a country-specific plug, cable tie to help secure your power cable, rubber feet for desktop or shelf installation, screws and screw anchors for wall or under table installations. And here is the gateway itself. There is nothing else in the box. Let's have a look at the gateway. On the front panel, you will find port status indicator LEDs, cloud status, system status and WAN mode LEDs, an LED mode selector button and a factory reset button. You'll need a pin to reach it should you ever need to use it. Pressing and holding this button for less than 5 seconds will reboot the gateway. Pressing and holding for over 5 seconds will initiate a factory reset. On the gateway right hand side you will find a Kensington lock socket. On the left hand side are ventilation holes. Please note that it's recommended to have at least a 10 cm clearance around the chassis to allow for proper air circulation. Also, if you're installing this gateway on a wall, the ventilation holes should be facing sideways, never upward or downward. On the underside, you'll find a sticker with a device serial number and MAC address, and slots for the mounting screws. You will notice that this model does not have a rack mounting option. It only supports desktop, under desk or wall mounting. On the back there is a QR code that can be used to claim this device into your Instant On cloud portal. There are 4 1GB Ethernet ports, with port 4 being a dedicated WAN interface, port 3 that can be used as either a LAN or a backup WAN interface, and ports 1 and 2 as dedicated LAN interfaces. There is also a power socket and a notch for the cable tie that can be used to secure your power cable. And there you have it. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content. Thank you for watching.